Hi, welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Unfortunately this is a long item, so I'm going to have to try and do it on the small bench that I have. Size wise, I'll grab my big ruler here, or a tape measure, so I can give you a size. This is the Lonix Samson 2 industrial strength gate door closer. Box size is 790 by 90 by about 90. This is a real heavy duty door closer. I wanted to quickly do a quick unbox for you before we start to install these ones. We don't install a lot of them, but they are a really interesting product because they're extremely strong, and this one's going on a gate that's going to be used a lot, like we're talking 400 to 500 times a day. A big gate, it has some mesh on it, so when the wind hits it, it needs to be able to push the gate closed all the time. And the problem is with the standard door closers, where yes, they can be used, but they're not reliable enough, and especially when the wind hits a big gate, if you've got any type of mesh on it, it works as a sail, so it's very hard to close when you've got a big wind. A lot of gates are in areas where there's a lot of empty space, so the wind really picks up in those areas. Alright, so here is the instructions. Okay, this is what's included. We have a couple of rivets, our bracket, a couple of bolts, another couple of brackets, a couple of screws, our end bracket, and our power unit there. Quick fit installations. Okay, that's all that. So mounting 1, 2 and 3. Let's give you a quick look at everything that's in the box, including the instructions. So it's telling us how to install it here. Basically, you drill 2 holes here, and then you fit this piece on the other side. 712, 705 and 705. So basically you mount this bracket on this side, you mount this bracket on this side, and bolt it up. Now, one of these things, the reason we went for this particular closer, and it's not cheap, it's one of the most expensive sort of closers I've seen in a long time. The reason being is because it's got 2 adjustments, which are right here, and I'll show you them later on. So it works very similar to a hydraulic door closer. I mean, I'm pretty sure it is hydraulic, but it works very similar to, how do you say, some of the foyer doors and those type of door closers where you got these adjustments. None of the other gate closers really like when talking commercial heavy duty, none of them really had these 2 settings. Now in this particular environment, it'll be going on a school gate, so we want it to have those settings where it's going to softly close, not like all the other ones that are spring operated, where the further you open it, the harder it slams. So it means if a little child had their hand in between the gate, with some of the other systems, if you open that gate all the way up and let go, it'll slam. With this one here, it's a soft close, so it's a safer option, especially for schools and places that don't want to hear the gate banging. So that's the instructions there. Let's have a look at this. This is the unit. Let's see what else they've included in with the box. Okay, true to their word, here is all the fitting stuff. There's my scissors again. This is an imported product. It isn't cheap, but in this situation, I believe it's worth every cent. Okay, so these bolts right here, you pretty much drill a hole, you put them in the hole, and then you tighten them up. Designed for 100 by 100 or 80 by 80 type, strong solid posts. So this one we will be mounting at the back. This one we'll be mounting at the front. And you could use your own type of bolts or do a bolt through type system. They're countersunk through there. That's a good 8mm hole. So all the screws are included. Let's have a look at the unit. Okay, here's the unit. So I'll see if I can actually pull that together. Oh, yep, pulled it together a little bit. Nice, soft closing action. Okay, let's measure it. I'm guessing about 700, 750 long. I've got some verniers. I'll give you some diameters on this just in case you kind of wanted to know. Vernier calipers are dead. Alright, so we've got like a 40 mil. The size of the body here, 90, about 260, about 70. So that's the size of the body. So on the back of it, rotating it round, weight 4 to 5 kilo. Okay, let's look at this section here. Okay, if you can see this here, so we have two adjustments. They've included an Allen key for those two adjustments. We have a place to mount onto, so our bracket, which one is it? I guess it'll be this one, I think. Yeah, I think that's right. That one on the back, and then that one over the top of it. So these parts are all quality parts. I can feel it in, so it'd be like that. Okay, the parts, they're plastic, plastic parts with metal inside, covered, outdoor weatherable conditions, which looks really good. Branding there, Lock-Onyx. So this is a Samson 2 hydraulic. There we go, I can fit it in the whole image. Samson 2 hydraulic gate closer. Yeah, I'm going to go install it now and see how it goes. We might be selling these on our lock shop, so if you are interested, please look at our lock shop, and I'll install it today, and I'll post the video and put all this together. Okay, thank you. That's your fast, that's closing, and that's opening all the way. Shear off bolts, just it. That was a quarter, 3/4. Complete 90 degrees. So 2-speed selectable. And complete maximum opening. So that's 90. We can go to there. It's going to go that way, which means this way. Okay, that bracket. Use that one. A little bit. There. That looks good. Yeah. So these are female. Still